delete button enables the user to delete an entry from the database. Maybe the supermarket has stopped selling a particular product. If that is the case, we have to get rid of it from the database. The first thing we have to do is to make sure whether an item has been selected, an entry is selected before we can delete that. So let's check whether an entry has been selected. We have if data grid view 1 dot row count is equal to 0, it means that no item has been selected. If that is the case, we display a message to the user, select an entry first, then our return statement. Next, now that we are sure that an item has been selected, we have to know the item that has been selected and maybe find out from the user if indeed he or she wants to select that item. So we have now before this line, we have to create an object of our SBS classes. That is the SBS classes data context. Let's come up here, we can bring it up here and put it there. So we have SBS classes data context DB. The DB is a variable, so you can use any name. DB is equal to the new keyword SBS, and we terminate it. Now let's continue. From P in DB, we have already initialized, we have already created that object here, so we can go ahead and use it. DB dot inventory table, where P dot product ID is equal to now we come here and I want to actually confirm it from the user if he or she wants to make that deletion. So we will have string selected item name, selected item dot first or default dot product. Here we have created a variable selected item name. I'm using the camel case notation, and we are assigning the product that has been selected here, the name of that product, to this string. Let's continue. Next, we display a message asking the user for confirmation. So let's comment this. Asking whether the user really wants to select the item. So we create an object of that class. And we concatenate it with the name of the product. So we use this variable that we created. Then this is the title, and that is going to be, let's call it SPS, Supermarket Billing System. And the buttons we want, so message box buttons dot yes, no. Now we have if the object we created is equal to dot no, then we stop execution of the program. Otherwise, we go ahead and delete the item. So delete from the inventory table. We have db.inventory table dot delete on submit. The selected item, the one that has been selected, dot first or default. Now db.submit changes. We refresh the data grid view by calling, let's go to the load event, copy this and paste it here to refresh the data grid view. Alright, so we are done with the delete button. So when the delete button is clicked, first we check whether an item is selected, then we confirm from the user if indeed he wants to delete the item, and if he says no or selects no, we stop execution, and if the user selects yes, then we go ahead and delete it from the database. Let's save it, and we can now go ahead and try what we have done. Let's click start. Inventory, and we don't have that link there. Let's go back and fix that. We select the main form. Let's go to the main form and then double click from the Solution Explorer. Now come here, click on inventory, and then come here and type manage stock. Double click on it. Just as we did here, we have the name of that form is manage stock. So we type manage stock. We create a new manage stock form. So new manage stock form is equal to new manage stock. Now we call the new form we have created new manage stock form dot mdi parent is equal to this new manage stock form dot show. Finished. Save it and let's run it again. Go to inventory, we have it there, click on manage stock, and it is here. So these are the products we have added. Now to delete, we select the product. As we said, you must select the product first. So we select the product and then we click delete. Now there is a message. Are you sure this is the title we gave to the dialog box SBS? Are you sure you want to remove test 1? So that's the name of the product, test 1. If we click no, the execution stops. And if we want to delete, we click yes, and it goes. So now our delete button is working as it is expected. We are now going to code for the update and also export to